till now we have covered the hash set in detail. Okay, we have covered the what are the features supported by the hash set and when we should go for the hash set. We have seen some couple of disadvantage or limitation of the hash set, like we cannot guaranteed about the order in which we insert the element in hash set, right? So to overcome some of the limitation, we have the new type of the collection, that is linked hash set. Linked hash set is nothing but the child child class of hash set which extends the hash set and implements the set interface. Okay, so link hash set is introduced in Java 1.4. Okay, so let's see the what are the different features with the linked hash set and when we should go for the linked hash set. After that we will cover what are the difference between the hash set and linked hash set. So first one is linked hash set is nothing but the child class of the hash set. Yes, it's a extending the hash set class. That's why it's a child class of hash set. Linked hash set also extend or we can say implements the set interface. Okay, so that's why it is a child class of hash set. Okay, the next one is what is the underlying data structure for the linked hash set. So for the linked hash set we use the underlying data structure as the hash table plus linked list, that is hybrid data structure. As we have seen in hash set we use the underlying data structure as a hash table, okay, but in linked hash set we will use the hash table plus linked list, that is the combination of the both. That's why it is called as a hybrid data structure. Internally hash set also use the hash table because hash set use the hash map and hash map internally use the hash table. So this is the second point. Third one is the main difference come here. Insertion order is preserved, means the order in which we are going to insert the element into linked hash set will preserve. We will get in a same order in which we have inserted the element. So that is the main difference between hash set and linked hash set. In hash set insertion order is not preserved, but in linked hash set the order is preserved. The next one is duplicates are not allowed. This is the core features, right? This is the contract given by set. Whenever we want the unique element we should go for the set. That's why in linked hash set also duplicates are not allowed. But when we try to add the duplicate, it will not throw any exception, not any error. It will simply return the false, means the whatever the addition operation, insertion operation you are going to perform for the duplicate element, it simply returns the false. It will not throw any exception. As it's not allowing the duplicates, single time null is allowed in a linked hash set. When we are not declaring any generics or type safety, then we can add the homogeneous as well as heterogeneous element in the linked hash set. The next one is hash set. Linked hash set implements the clonable, serializable, but not the random access. Okay, so these are the some few of the features available in the linked hash set. Apart from this, there is linked hash set came in 1.4 version. Okay, apart from this, there is a one difference again. The all the methods in the linked hash set are not synchronized. Okay, that means multiple thread can work at a time on the single object. Okay, that's why it is not a non-synchronized. Then all the iterators given by this linked hash sets are fail fast, means if there is some concurrent modification is happening, it will fail immediately. Okay, so that is the some of the features present in the linked hash set. So what is the difference between hash set and linked hash set? The main difference comes in here. The insertion order is preserved in the linked hash set, but in hash set, insertion order is not preserved. So one thing must be clear here, when we should go for the linked hash set, in which scenario we should use the linked hash set. So whenever you want to represent the group of entities as a single one, and you want the only unique entities, and the insertion order must be preserved, that time we should go for the linked hash set.